Good morning, ma'am. My name is Samiksha Shende, and my roll number is TET A08. Our topic is GUI signal analysis and filter design using MATLAB. Um, Ma'am, as this is introduction. Like a digital filter operates by applying mathematics to an input signal and modifies it to produce an output that we desire. This project focused on designing a graphic user interface application in MATLAB that is capable of assisting in signal analysis and optimizing of finite impulse response filtering. Now, as our topic is GUI of IIR filter using MATLAB, what is IIR filter? IIR filter is infinite impulse response. It is a property applying to many linear time variant systems that are distinguished by having an impulse response, which does not exactly zero past a certain point, but it is indefinite. It also has hence they can be matched to analog filters, all of which generally have infinitely long responses. The basic technique of IR design transform, well known for analog filter into digital filters using a complex value mapping. This is IIR filter. Now, for literature survey, we have gone through the research paper on this topic and used information from there. And now, what is the need for study IIR filters? Like there are many applications using this IR filter, and there are two types of filters: IIR filter and FIR filter. First, I'll tell what is FIR filter. FIR filter is um, the design. It means in that the design of a digital filter typically begins with the frequency specification. It is frequency impulse response filter. For example, a specification of a low pass filter might give a pass band range as being 0 hertz to 200 hertz. That's why the specification would also indicate the amount of ripple that is permitted in the pass band and stop band. This is FIR filter. Now, why do we need to study IIR filter? Like IR filter is more faster than FIR filter, and it is better than uh, FIR filter. Like um, the advantage of IIR filter over FIR filter is that IIR filter usually requires fewer coefficient to execute similar filtering operations, and it works faster. It requires also less memory space, and only the one disadvantage of IR filter is the non-linear phase response. But overall, it is better than FIR filter. That's why we use IIR filter. Research design. This is a block diagram. It is a block diagram for both IIR and FIR filter for making GUI in MATLAB. Like a design in this in this block diagram, as it is given from types of filters, there are 9 steps of uh, steps like Park McLean algorithm, window types, frequency sampling. It has to go through these steps, and then it from it will project based on MATLAB using resources, and project will be free. Same is for the IR filters. First, we have to go give means first we have to go through the IR classic filters. Like means there are types of classic filters: Butterworth filter, Chebyshev filter, and elliptic. So this is block diagram, and, and now this is design research design of our simulation. This is GUI design as shown in the screen. Uh, the we have choose Chebyshev filter here, and the selective type is low pass filter. So it is shown in this area. So as we have used code, but while using code, uh, there are limitations. I'll tell you later. This is UI designs. There, these are the functions which we have used in these above GUI designs. Some of these filters are like preset function, setting function, and like in the setting function we can choose the type of filter, low pass filter, band pass filter, kind of filters, frequency selection. All these are the options in the given GUI design. These are also in that. This is the ma'am research question. It is flow chart of our GUI screen, like how we have started. First, we have to select the type of filter, then select parameters, load preset parameters. Um, all that is given. We have made this is given in the flow chart. Now in simulation, there are two steps: selecting audio and play and plot the audio. And also we have used the code. I'll show you. Like I have we have run this code of low pass butterworth filter, but there is limitation. Like in this, if we use code, we have to use different codes for different filters. Like for butterworth filter, different code; for low pass, for high pass, for every we have to make different codes. That's why we have used this method. We have used predefined functions in MATLAB, so we can means in one we can choose whatever we have to with whatever filter we have to use. Here as shown in simulation, input we have given the audio, and then selected we can select filters: low pass filter, high pass filter, band pass. So um, this is this is our simulation. This is a result, ma'am. We have choose I have choose for low pass filter and band pass filter. I'll show you. We have done for low pass filter. This is magnitude response of, and this is phase response for low pass filter. Also we have done for magnitude response of band pass filter and phase response of band pass filter. We can do this for many filters like butterworth, but we have given in the this ppt we have choose this two only. So this is, if we have used code, we have to use code for different, but while using this we can we can choose whatever filter we have to use. In GUI we have made these buttons and given the functions of the buttons of each behind it, and made the GUI in MATLAB using those functions I have told above. This is the analysis of methodology from given signal processing point of view. Ma'am, this is our reference. We have choose like our research papers reference. We have to where we have to use where we have choose our research paper and all. This is a conclusion. Like a digital filter have wide variety of applications. Their use will increase in the immediate future, including social and financial field. For the development of the project, it was necessary to know in detail. That's why we have used IR filter and learned about it. So we can so there is scope in that in future. So we can use it in future. Thank you, ma'am.